15. Coolest car gadgets on Amazon. You'll wish you had sooner. If your car still feels basic every time you get behind the wheel, you're probably missing out on some seriously smart upgrades. Amazon is packed with car gadgets that don't just look cool. They actually make driving easier, safer, and way more convenient. From small upgrades that improve comfort to clever tools that enhance performance, we've rounded up the best car gadgets you can get right now. You'll find all the product links waiting for you in the description below. Number 15. Car screen adapter. If your car screen only shows maps, this small adapter lets you mirror your phone directly onto the display without cables. It connects wirelessly, supports apps like YouTube and Netflix in full screen, and plays audio through your car speakers with minimal delay. You can switch back to normal CarPlay anytime, so your original system stays the same while adding basic smart screen functionality. Number 14. Smart Car Shield. For protecting a car while it's stored, this inflatable garage capsule offers a clear PVC dome that sets up in about 5 minutes using an 800 watts pump and maintains internal pressure automatically. Quiet, low noise fans made in Germany circulate filtered air to prevent condensation, which can damage a car's body. Zippers on 3 sides make it easy to drive in and out, and the enclosure comes in indoor and outdoor versions, with sizes ranging from 4 to 6.7 meters. Number 13. Car Power Splitter. Ever argue over that one lonely car charging port? Not anymore. This heavy-duty car power splitter transforms a single socket into a rolling power hub. 4 extra sockets plus USB-C and USB-A, so the dash cam, phone, GPS, vacuum, even a mini fridge can all run at the same time without drama. Each port has its own switch, so you only power what you need. The real-time voltage display keeps an eye on your battery like a quiet co-driver. Number 12. Hand gesture. Ever wished you could say something to a bad driver without playing window roulette? This gesture LED light handles it. 3 modes, 1 remote, instant message delivered in bright, impossible to ignore light, day, night, rain, fog. It cuts through all of it. Tap the remote. They see it, they understand. No shouting required. Quick to install, fits almost any car, and grabs attention fast without escalating the chaos. Number 11. Comsoon adapter. If your car skipped the Bluetooth era and you're still riding with O-cables and Comsoon silence, plug this in. The Comsoon Bluetooth adapter brings instant wireless music and clear hands-free calls without touching your car's factory setup. No dashboard surgery, no expensive upgrades. Bluetooth 5.3 keeps the connection steady even on bumpy roads. The LED screen shows battery level and volume, so there's zero guesswork. Number 10. Car door lights. You open your car door at night and a sharp, bright logo lights up the ground beneath you. Clean projection, clear detail. No wires running through the door and no disposable batteries to swap out. Recharge it once and it runs for weeks. The light turns on automatically when the door opens and switches off when it closes. Number 9. Seesii electric car jack. And for dealing with a flat tire, this cordless 5-ton hydraulic lift makes the job quick and effortless. It lifts a car in about 90 seconds at the push of a button, either using the remote or directly on the unit. The 4,000 mAh lithium battery provides 6 to 8 full lifts per charge and recharges fully in around 100 minutes. With a lift range of 16 to 45 centimeters, it works with sedans, crossovers, and pickups. Built-in LED lights make nighttime use easier, and at just 8 kilograms, it's simple to store in your trunk. Number 8. Camco trailer. Flat tire on your trailer doesn't have to ruin your trip. The Camco Trailer Aid Plus lifts 1 tire at a time, raising the other 5.5 inches instantly. No unloading, no jacks, no hassle. It can handle up to 15,000 pounds, weighs just 8 pounds, and is waterproof and rust-proof, making it ready for any road trip. RV owners rely on it because when every minute counts, this little ramp keeps you moving. Number 7. Car cinema. This is a portable cinema made specifically for cars. It comes with a compact 2K projector offering 700 lumens of brightness and an ultra-short throw lens, paired with a 32-inch screen that unfolds automatically at the push of a button. The screen attaches securely to the roof with heavy-duty suction cups, and the built-in battery supports up to 200 open and close cycles. Everything is controlled through an app, and the audio connects to your car's sound system via Bluetooth, creating a full in-car movie experience. Number 6. Michelin Uptis Airless tires. Imagine tires that never go flat. The Airless tire does exactly that, using a 3D printed, eco-friendly design that eliminates punctures and the need for constant pressure checks. It also helps cut down on scrap tire waste by over 20%, while offering a smoother ride over bumps and obstacles, making daily driving easier and more reliable. Number 5. E-Board Electric Side Step. The E-Board Electric Side Step is a smart way to make tall vehicles more accessible. When you open the door, the step automatically slides out, giving passengers a stable platform to step on, and it retracts neatly when the door closes, so it doesn't change the car's look. Made from strong, weather-resistant materials, it can handle heavy use without wearing out. On top of that, it reduces the chance of slips or falls, and even protects your vehicle's sides from small bumps and scrapes, combining convenience with safety. Number 4. Electric kettle. Having hot tea or coffee on the road is now easy with this 400 milliliter electric car kettle. It plugs into your car's cigarette lighter and boils water in about 30 minutes. Touch controls and an LCD screen let you choose between boiling and keep warm modes from 30 to 95 degrees Celsius. The inner liner is made of 304 stainless steel, and the sealed lid with a silicone gasket helps maintain the flavor of your drink. Number 3. Lectron plugs. For EV owners, charging just got a major upgrade. Cars with a port can now access over 25,000 Tesla supercharger stations using this NACS to CCS adapter. Rated for 500 amps and 1000 volts, it can add up to 240 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. A dual locking mechanism keeps it securely connected, and its compact design fits easily in the glove compartment. It's compatible with Ford, GM, Rivian, Mercedes, and other brands, giving more vehicles access to the Tesla charging network. Number 2. Bluetti power station. For trips where outlets are hard to find, this smart power hub keeps your devices and gear running. It's the first dual-channel charger that can power portable stations simultaneously from a vehicle generator and solar panels. With up to 200 watts of combined output, it charges up to 13 times faster than a standard cigarette lighter. Battery link technology lets you run a fridge or charge devices while parked without draining your starter battery. Number 1. Car electric blanket. If your car still feels chilly, this wearable blanket keeps you warm on the go. Measuring 150 by 110 centimeters, the flannel electric blanket has built-in heating elements powered through the cigarette lighter. Snap buttons convert it into a poncho-style wrap so your hands stay free while driving. 2 heat levels with an automatic shutoff help protect the car battery, and the 2.3 meter cable reaches the rear seats. That's all for today. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up so more people can see it. Your support helps us reach more viewers. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.